Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm your host, FD465.tv, and today we are going to continue with our Token Unlock series, where we are talking about or highlighting token unlocks that are going to affect how much profit you walk away with during the current cycle, where we think this cycle is going to peak around Q2 of 2025. Again, I could be way off, but that is just my own opinion, not financial advice. You want financial advice? Go approach someone who is actually trained to give you financial advice. This content is just for educational as well as entertainment purposes, and certainly not ideal for UK audiences, because the UK authorities are trying to protect you just in case you throw all your savings into crypto and you lose everything, and there's no protection, there's no way to cry to. So do not watch this video, don't partake within the crypto space, so they say. Good advice, I should add. Anyway, let's come back to the token unlocks, where we are all on the lookout for the next best thing within the crypto space, that shiny new thing in crypto. And to be fair, there are so many of these, but not all are what they seem or promise to be. For the few that have something to offer, investing at the right time, if you are retail like myself, is going to bring some greater rewards, but we also need to be aware of the token unlocks. As such, token unlocks bring some serious issues that impact the price of the token that you're investing in. And in most cases, those token unlocks are favoring the project insiders. You're talking of early investors, seed investors, the project team, employees, current and future, and all that stuff. So the projects that are being covered as part of this series are Layer 0, PYTHNetwork, Wemo, Celestia, Moonbeam Network, Axla, Arbitrum, and Avalanche. And in this video, we are going to be focusing on PythNetwork. What is PythNetwork? PythNetwork is a decentralized data oracle designed to deliver high-fidelity, real-time financial market data to blockchain applications, particularly in the decentralized finance or DeFi ecosystem. Pyth aims to bridge the gap between traditional financial markets and blockchain-based applications by providing trusted, accurate, and timely data for various assets like cryptocurrencies, equities, foreign exchange, and commodities. Now, PythNetwork is a structured token unlock schedule that is critical for investors to consider. You and I, that is, if you are thinking of investing in Pyth. The tokenomics of Pyth show that the maximum supply is 10 billion tokens, with approximately 36% currently unlocked and circulating, while the rest remains logged until various stages between now and 2027. Key unlock events. So we've had one that came in May of 2024. It was a significant unlock of approximately 2.36 of the total supply, which amounts to around 236 million tokens. And the unlock happening in September of 236 million tokens is going to cause some considerable price pressures, because it is a lot of tokens. So the unlock timeline for PythNetwork follows 6, 18, 30, 42-month unlocking schedule after the token launch date in late 2023. The next major unlock period stretched through Q2 2025, with only one major event in the short term that happened in May. After that, unlocks will continue gradually. And the token distribution that you also need to be aware of when you're investing into this, because that is also connected to the token unlocks. You got the allocation of 52% that was allocated to ecosystem growth and private sales, 32%, and the 32% is for private sales and publisher reward, and they are also unlocking on a similar timeline. So what is the price and market analysis or the price impact of these unlocks? Well, let's start with the price section first. So currently trading between 28 and 29 cents, the Pyth token has room for significant price appreciation if support holds at 28 cents, sometimes it's dropping below that. Price action shows bullish signals, particularly with a breakout potential if the price surpasses 55 cents. So 55 cents is the price we need to surpass. If we pass 55 cents, that's a breakout price. It should head higher. But as an investor, what is my strategy if I'm faced with token unlocks and the token distribution that we just covered? For the long term, the relatively slow unlock schedule up until Q2 2025 provides an opportunity for long-term gains, particularly as the circulating supply remains controlled. For investors seeking growth, the steady token release and increasing adoption of Pyth across blockchains could drive demand. But if you're a swing trader or short-term trader and you trade on volatility, you should monitor key unlock dates such as the one we just had in May of this year 2024, as the increase in circulating supply might lead to short-term downward pressures on the Pyth token price. A strategy of buying deep for unlocks and selling before supply increases could be effective for short-term traders, swing traders, or day traders. So a long-term investment strategy focused on gradual accumulation seems favorable for Pyth, especially at these prices, with caution around major unlock events to optimize returns. We need to to watch out for end of May 2025, when we are going to experience another surge in token unlocks. From that date until the next unlock, the following changes should occur. Before I forget as well, we did a head-to-head between Chainlink and PythNetwork. Fascinating video to watch. If you have not seen it, please go watch that video if it's posted already. Fascinating video. Anyway, from May 2025 until the next unlock, the following changes will occur. Private sale, publisher rewards, protocol development, and ecosystem growth. The unlocks for those 4 categories is going to be huge. Some will double. If not, they will be close to doubling, which means circulation of the PYTH tokens will likely double to almost 72% from the current 36% circulating supply by May of 2025. So massive unlock happening next year for PYTH. No one knows what the price impact will be when the unlock occurs, but if we're at the height of the bull market, top of the cycle, it will be felt, but I think it will be absorbed quite quickly. But I don't think it will be sustainable because you're doubling the circulation. You're almost halving the price. It's never like that, isn't it? You will get some scammy weeks where instead of having the price, it will probably reduce it by a factor of 3. It happens. Anyway, guys, that's my take on the unlocks that are going to characterize the PYTH network during next year when I expect the current cycle to peak. Any thoughts? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Until the next one, FD for Safe Signing out for now. Bye.